My name is Rick Van Nieuwenhuyse. I'm the President and CEO of Trilogy Metals. We are developing what will be the highest grade open pit copper mine in the world, in Alaska. We are focused on developing an entire mining district. It's the Ambler Mining District. Right now we're focused our efforts on two projects. The Arctic project is at a feasibility level of study. We just completed the technical report for that. It's on our website. It's basically a $1.4 billion post-tax NPV project. So 33% rate of return and 2-year payback of capital. Capital about $780 million. So very good, robust project. We'll be producing about 80,000 tons of copper, 100,000 tons of zinc, 30,000 ounces of gold, and about 3 million ounces of silver. So very robust project. It's one in a whole series of deposits in a 100-kilometer long mineral belt. So as we get to do more exploration, I'm sure we'll find more reserves of that kind of quality. We'll continue to explore our Bornite project. We'll have a lot of drill results out later this year. Drilling will start up in June, and that of course is being financed by our partner South32, one of the larger mining companies in the world, based out of Australia. They made a strategic investment in the company, and they're financing our exploration work at Bornite. We'll be releasing a cobalt resource at Bornite here in the next month. That'll supplement our already substantial copper resource there. It's a copper cobalt project. It's only located about 20 miles from the Arctic deposit, so there are good synergies between the two projects. And so we'll have a pretty robust drill program, a $10 million drill program there this year, and we'll be releasing drill results on that later in July, August time frame, and then updating the copper and the cobalt resource later in the year. But the next big milestone for that project is the release of the initial cobalt resource next month. So it's a pretty exciting time for us. A lot of activity going on. Well, we've been working together quite a while. I started a company called Nova Gold about 20 years ago, and we developed one of the largest gold deposits in the world at Donlin. Also located in Alaska. We formed a 50-50 partnership with Barrick Gold, the largest gold company in the world, and we've just completed the permitting. We're just completing the permitting for that project. We should get our record of decision here in the next few months. That's basically the same exploration team that we transitioned over to Trilogy Metals about 5 years ago. So we've been working hard at early stage development work, early stage exploration work. And now we finally achieved sort of a development stage with the completion of the pre-feasibility study at Arctic. Meanwhile, we'll continue to explore Bornite. But this team's got a demonstrated track record of adding value through the drill bit and understanding how to move projects from grassroots exploration through feasibility. Well, basically, we're fully financed. We just raised $28.5 million. All of our major shareholders participated in the financing, so we've got $40 million in the bank. We're really set for the next 3 years. Combined with the funding from South32 to explore Bornite, we'll focus our efforts on advancing Arctic through permitting and feasibility over the next 2 to 3 years. So we should be in a very good place to continue to add value for our shareholders. This is always a good conference. We were here last year. We made a lot of good introductory meetings with folks in Hong Kong and actually in China as well. So we think this is a great conference. I like the one-to-one format. It's a bit more intimate, and you get to meet people, especially when you have the follow-up meetings and you're following on from the dialogue that you've established previously. So yeah, it's a great format.